Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the action button to open the magnifying glass to zoom in objects. This is very simple. For this, open settings, then tap on the option action button. Then from here you need to select the option magnifying glass. Scroll left, you can see magnifier. Turn your my iPhone into magnifying glass to zoom in on and detect object near you. Now the magnifying glass is selected for this action button. Now let me show you. Now press and hold the action button. You can see. Now, so here I am going to make this one. You can zoom like this. If you swipe right, you can see it is zooming. Zoom out, you can see, right? Zoom in like this. So simply in this way you can set the action button to open magnifying glass to zoom in objects near you. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.